So you get your radiator relocate from N2deep Customs. Then it comes with the black piece by itself, and then you gotta put the mesh on. You flip the black piece upside down. I'd put it on something that you wouldn't scratch it on. You put the bolt in, then the washer, then the nut. Tighten it all down, it'll look like this. Pretty darn good. Come down here, you gotta take that push pin out and that push pin out. Then there's one right there. I gotta get that out too. This tool is specifically for getting push pins out. That one out, that one out, and that one out. This side will come out. Then the radiator will be exposed. And once the radiator is exposed, I'll get to the other side. We're on this side now. You gotta take that out with a 10 mil, I'm pretty sure. And the reservoir out. The bolt comes out, it's loose. There's another bolt up here, or a push pin I meant. That flew right at my face. All right, and then the other side comes out. All this is free. And I think it's time to pull. Look, there's one more push pin. So once I get it out, I'll go to the next step. It's about to come off. We're right here. And I gotta get there. And it comes off. Set it on the ground. I don't think you're gonna need that. This piece is about to come out. You go up there, you push that down, and then I think it is about to be free. Oh, there it goes. And then the middle piece comes out. Pretty sure. Yep, just like that. Sure you ain't pulling nothing, like any wires or anything. All right, there it is, the radiator. Not as dirty as I thought it would be. Now it's time to drain the fluids in it. That bolt right there is a 6 mil. And now you gotta drain it. Make sure you have a bucket up underneath. Let me figure out how I'm gonna do this. Alright. Once you undo that hose right there, you're gonna get everything spilt everywhere, like over in the garage. Because I didn't know that was gonna be leaking. Alright. And that hose, you just leave it right there leaking in the bucket. Come up here to the top, and there's a clamp right there. You undo it. I don't know where yours would be. Mine was facing up this way, so I had to take the reservoir off up there, and I was just hanging freely. And now, I hope this ain't got fluid in it, because it's gonna be spilling everywhere. But it's almost off, and there's still stuff leaking over there. All right, so you take that hose off, and you drain it if there's any fluid in it, but I'm pretty sure there is gonna be. So you do that, and I'll get right back with you. Scoot it down. And I got the radiator out. I had somebody else help me with it, and now you just gotta take that hose off. We just picked up at the same time, and it went straight up. All right, I'll get that out. So that hose came out, nothing leaked, so you ain't gonna use a bucket down there. And now it's time to pull this thing out. All right, so there's a grommet right there. There's 2 grommets that you gotta take out. I'm using vice grips. Make sure you don't want to mess it up, but go in there and boom, it's out. All right, so you get it going in, feed it through like the other side, and it is almost in there all the way, and boom, there you go. After you do that, you clamp down the hoses with the barb, then you add antifreeze in it and run the vent line down to the reservoir. I kept the black panels right there because I didn't want it to look raggedy. I got them done on both sides, and it don't look too bad. All right, now I'm gonna teach you how to test your snorkel. Make sure it's tight. First off, you pull off your 90 or whatever angle you got going on the
four-wheeler. Come up here and you blow on it, put your mouth over it, and blow in the pipe. If your mouth bubbles up and it holds pressure, that's how you know it's tight.